हजुर हाम्रो आफन्तहरू यहाँ हिमाल जोत्रो छाती मात्रै छैन पहाड जोत्रो मन परेछ माइजूले जेड झ्याप्पै हान्ने भनेको छ मामा 2000 पाउन्ड 2000 RMB झिक्नलाई रेडी हुनुहुन्छ हामी यसरी जेड मार्केटमा मामा खोइ त जेड किन्ने मान्छे नै निस्किनु भएन यो जेड मार्केटमा आएको छ यो चाहिँ ओके
how to tune real jade and imitation jade, okay?
Okay.
It's very important, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, learn some information from
Yes.
it.
In our shop, in our body, you know, the shop system, all kinds of units, okay?
Okay.
And you know, I want to say what is close to me, okay? Yeah, everybody, yeah.
He talk with the people all over the world to come here. To
Yeah. You know, the jade, you know, belong to our shop in the galleries. Yeah, no, here, you know, that I want to say what? Jade, you know, it's symbolize of beauty. You know, it can't bring. Okay. It can bring us happiness and peace.
Okay.
Yes. It is called Oriental Gem.
Okay.
Has 5,000 years history and culture. Yeah. Jade belongs to intangible cultural heritage. Yes. And in China, jade is very famous, popular. And like this style, see, here is big ball. And this is incense burner.
Wow.
Yes, this is incense burner. You know, in the Qing dynasty, the emperor ceremony to the heaven, to the earth.
Yeah.
So very important festival,
Okay.
use this. You can touch it. You can touch it. This
Wow.
thing. Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
This jade, you know, from one piece of jade.
Wow.
Yes, one piece of jade. You know, just the one master and carving it.
Wow.
We need, you know, about half years finish this.
Oh my
Yes,
God.
half year, yes. It's very special, very rare. Okay. So this size we can deliver it to your home.
Okay.
Yeah. I want to buy it. Okay.
That's what we call the millionaire.
Okay, everybody come here.
जाऊ
Yeah. I want to show you the herb, you know, there you have body, you know, there is your master and carving on jade, yeah? You can see here, sir, madam, you know, I want to say what? He is, you know, was 70 years old. His work belong to his family ancestral. Yes, and you can see inside, there is a small water pipe, right? It can prevent jade powder from getting into his eyes. Yes,
Yeah.
and at the same time, it can play cooling effect on the needle. Yes, so this in China jade is separate two kind of jade. One kind of hard jade, one kind of soft jade.
Okay.
The big size, large size, belong to soft jade because it is easy to carving it. And the hard jade, you know, generally we make the jewelry such as necklace and bracelets. Yes, and this kind jade belongs to soft jade. When the artist finish this work, he need 4 stamps. You know this work, you know we call harmony family ball.
Okay.
You know you should take a kiss this, and then we show this. Hello, this way. You should take this one. Yes, this one you know they look like small, but it injects Chinese culture inside it. And then look at the surface. One dragon, one phoenix. Dragon and phoenix belong to couple.
Okay.
So you are couple one, couple you are different couple one. So dragon, phoenix. Dragon is symbolize the power and status. Phoenix is always protect ladies from dangers and harms with infinite beauty. So dragon and phoenix, you know, like yin yang, keep the balance.
Yeah.
Each layer means each generation. More layers, more generations. All involved. Like this. Because you know it symbolize prosperity of future generations. So you should remember it. This is belong to Chinese culture. Look at small, you can touch it. It's very special. And when the artist finished it, they need to know from here. This is beginning.
Original है यस्तो हुन्छ है
Raw jade.
ढुङ्गाबाट
Yeah, you can touch it.
Raw
You can
jade.
touch it, raw jade. And carving it, and polish, and this is there, see?
Yeah.
Everyone is moved because the artist from inside to the outside and carving it.
Wow.
So it's very difficult. And I will show another one.
कसरी हाले बनायो न सम्भव
How to
हुन्छ
put inside this one?
Yeah, from inside to the outside carvings. You know, the everyone is moved. Yes. This is very special, very rare.
Oh.
Very rare. This kind of jade belongs to soft jade.
Oh, okay.
And this kind of jade belongs to hard jade.
Okay.
Hard jade, you can see, sir, it's a different color. You touch it, it's smooth. Green color, purple color, and black color from one piece of jade.
This is mixed color.
Yes, such as, this is beautiful necklace.
Wow.
Yes. So this is one, you can find a different color. I think the lady like it. You can touch it. Yeah. And my bracelet, like this. Yeah, my bracelet also from here. So yes. So you should remember what is hard jade, what is soft jade. Hard jade generally, before 5,000 years ago, we haven't, the iron and steel. We use the hard jade and cut animal. Because this jade
so
is,
sharp.
Yes, because this kind of jade is very sharp. Like this nail, yes. Yeah.
मासुली काट्ने मिल्छ अरे जनावरले त हतियारले
And display, you can display counter, you can find it's a different color. White color, green color, and this yellow color. White color is different because they are showing different element. Yes, such as like this. Do you know this animal?
Dragon.
Okay, congratulations, everybody. All right, you are all right for this one. The one, the dragon, you can see what is sound. Inside the ball. Dragon mouth, you keep the ball. Why? This one is symbolize the power and status. Because the dragon is not only symbol the emperor, but also embodiment of Chinese spirit of nation.
Okay.
Like that. Yeah. And then we have another one. We have another one like that. Do you know this? What is the materials?
Ball,
Yeah,
soup ball.
When you sound, the echo.
Yeah, same as metal.
Yes, right. And this means in China, every year you will remain food and money.
Oh.
Yes, always. Yeah, like that. So if you like, you can select one, put for your living room.
Yeah.
So the money and the food, no problem. Don't worry for one's life. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. And then we have another one. See? This one. Remember this one?
Lion.
You can guess what is the animal.
This is a lion.
This animal you should pay attention. In China, we call the auspicious beast of fortune.
Okay.
This animal, in China, we just call Pishu. Pishu animal. Pishu, belong to the massacred animals. This animal just eat, never poo-poo. Means money just coming, never go. Yeah, such as if you do business, play Chinese mahjong. Chinese mahjong?
Yeah.
Yes, and play card, and gamble.
Yeah.
You can select Pishu. We have different size, small size, big size.
Yeah.
Depend on yourself. Yes, mahjong. Yeah, play mahjong. Because the money from the outside to the inside.
Yeah.
And how to put it very important. The mouth towards the door, to the window, tail to the inside. Because the money from outside to the inside. Don't this way or wrong way, okay? The money go out. This way, okay? So this is very interesting. This one belongs to Chinese culture, like this. Okay?
So is this the big version, yeah? The big version, same as.
Of course, sir, you can select it. One pair, male or female.
Okay.
How about this one? This one I can see in China.
Yes, this is long. If you have been to publicity, you can find one pair. This one is a very beautiful one. The male, female.
This is the same for horse?
2008, that's local people's apartments. Yeah, because just in the north-south central axis with the Forbidden City, ড০ম Square, in the north 4th reign. So government in 2004 already knew Beijing will hold 2008 Olympic Games. So they asked local people to move. Yeah, so they said we need this area for the new Olympic landmark. Yeah, bird nest and water cube. In ancient time, Chinese people believed heaven is round, earth is square. Yeah, so they made an oval-shaped architecture bird nest in the round shape, represent heaven. Yeah, earth over there, that's the water cube. Blue one represents Earth. Heaven and Earth harmony to each other. That means the Olympic will hold successfully to the world. So our government expanded this land and planted many trees, bushes, made new stadiums, new gyms. This area all brand new. 16 years ago. Yeah, you can see the building over there. That's the China Science Center over there. That was finished in 2010 after Olympic. Yeah, look at in the center. That's Olympic landmark, the Torch Tower. That's also finished later, not in before 2008. Yeah, that is finished in 2010. So during night, the building with all the beautiful lights, 5 different colors, Olympic 5 rings on the top. And people can take the elevator inside to the top. There is a revolving restaurant over there. Yeah, so have a nice view of the bird nest and water cube. So you can see the building on the left side. The bird nest all made of steel. Yeah, they said several hundreds of tons of steel. Spent about 30 billion RMB. Finished. Yeah, that's the largest stadiums in China. Can accommodate as many as 80,000 people at the same time. During Olympic times, for the opening, closing ceremony, field track, and football race. Yeah, water cube, and the blue one next to the bird nest, that's for water races. Diving, swimming, water polo, water ballet, all hold there. Yeah, so in 2008, I was a guide for a group of sponsors from Coca-Cola company, American. That's my first year as a guide.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm so proud of myself because they have extra ticket for me to go to the water cube to see the race with them. Yeah, they are swimming. The Michael Phelps, you know, from American. He's very, looks like a big fish, very fast. Yeah, he got a lot of gold medals. Yeah, the gold medals that year is very special, designed by our artist. So the gold inlaid with jade.
Wow.
Yeah, that's why jade is so popular, right? The first time in China, our gold medals, silver medals, bronze medals with all different colors of jade together. Yeah. So that is to show our deep culture. Because in ancient time, jade only reserved for the empress families to use. Since the empress no longer exists in China, common people can wear jade. So popular. A lot of culture inside. That's why I make the price so high. And you can see we are getting closer to the Olympic Linglong Tower. This one is called the Linglong Tower. During Olympic ceremony, that's for the show. Yeah, over there for the show, dancing and some lights, changing colors also. And after Olympics, the main functions for the stadiums, that is sell the tickets to the tourists. You just go from the outside to allow to go inside, just to see what that looks like inside. Yeah, but during the free time, water cube changed as a water park. Yeah, people can buy a ticket. Let their children to have fun inside. They have water slide. You can swim inside, and a lot of people hold concert over there. Yeah, and also the bird nest also for the concert, singing, dancing, football race, horse riding race, and also the man-made snowing place in winter for children to have fun. Okay, you can leave other bags you don't need in the coach. Just take the camera with me to the Olympic Park.
हजुर नमस्ते, हामी ओलम्पिक पार्कमा आइपुग्यौँ। यो ओलम्पिक पार्कको 5वटा रिङ हामी यहाँबाट देख्न सक्छौँ। यो 5वटा रिङले 5वटा महादेशलाई जनाउँछ। यो रिङको मतलब 5वटा महादेश भनेर। यो 5वटै महादेशको मान्छेहरू यहाँ खेल्नको लागि यहाँ आएको छ र आएको थियो। त्यही ठाउँमा हामी आज हेर्न आइराखेको छ। 2008 सालमा ओलम्पिक होस्ट गरेको यो रङ्गशाला, यो बर्डनेस एकदमै स्टिल स्ट्रक्चरबाट बनेको एकदमै आकर्षक रङ्गशाला हो। हामी अहिले यहाँ बर्डनेसमा छौँ।
Yeah, this area from the north to the south all belongs to Olympic Park.
Okay.
Yeah, this is all made before 2008.
Okay.
Yeah, many years ago, during Olympic times, here is like everywhere slogans, Olympic songs, Olympic spirit.
Wow.
It's very, very cool to come here.
Okay.
So you will feel the, Olympic spirit. Yeah. So look at some buildings, architectures over there.
Wow, the light design also very
Yeah,
nice.
So this is for tourists.
Okay.
Yeah, for the officials to travel.
Okay. So do we have underpass to go that way?
Yeah, later we can take a look this way,
Yeah.
then we go back to that way
Okay.
to see the Olympic Park.
Okay.
I can tell you, we never do anything like China.
Exactly. Yeah.
You said you spend a lot of money and a lot of work
Yeah.
to make this for
Exactly,
Olympic
exactly.
race.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Exactly.
so for us, we just not do any more construction.
Exactly. It's a loss of.
Now, the everything, yeah, even the technology or
Yeah.
whatever, everything, the China now is dominating all the everything, all over the world. Yeah.
So that's why.
fast growing.
That's why they have a lot of people, all over the world, the leaders not happy.
Oh. कहाँ लड्यो कान्छी लड्यो के भयो कान्छी कान्छी ठिक छ के भयो यो बेजिङको ओलम्पिक पार्कमा हाम्रो ग्रुपहरू यसरी छ हजुर हामी अहिले ओलम्पिक पार्कतिर जाने क्रममा छ हाम्रो टोलीहरू यसरी अगाडि आइरहेको छ वाउ हजुर विद्यार्थीहरू एकदम घुम्न आएको छ यति धेरै चाइनिजहरूसँग हामी छौँ यहाँ ओलम्पिक पार्कमा यहाँ ठोकिएलै फेरि वाउ यो बेजिङमा ओलम्पिक पार्कको इन्ट्रोडक्सन नोटिस अफ भिजिटर्स हजुर हामी यहाँ भित्र बस्दैछौँ ओ ओलम्पिक पार्क बेजिङ ओलम्पिक पार्क हजुर बेजिङ ओलम्पिक पार्कमा छौँ हामी यहाँबाट भित्र पस्दैछौँ पार्क वाउ
यसमा यहाँ र कहाँ भएको रे
जापान र कोरियामा जापान भयो अर्को भएको
वाउ
यहाँ त जापान हो क्या हो यो नि क्या हो अर्को ओलम्पिक त यही मात्रै भयो यहाँबाट नेपाल भयो हङकङ युके भयो नि
Oh, okay, Sandy, we are all came. Sandy, how far from our hotel to here?
How far? Plan to come here. Stay here.
From hotel, from our hotel.
From here to your hotel, maybe 30 minutes drive.
Okay. हाम्रो होटलबाट
Easy to pack.
हाम्रो होटलबाट 30 मिनेटमा यता आइपुग्दो रहेछ
After this, we go to a restaurant nearby here.
Okay. Don't mind.
After that, we take the coach, go back to the hotel.
Okay. Okay.
After dinner,
Yeah.
no money now to buy shopping.
All spent.
Finish. So
Beijing finished. Wait for Tibet.
ओलम्पिक पार्कको वरिपरि देखिने दृश्य
Budget. No more shopping.
वाउ ल ओलम्पिक पार्कमा हामी छौँ एकदम ठुलो पार्क एकदम रमाइलो भइरहेको छ
Yes. Yes, government said, oh, yeah, you love your house, but we government, you support the government. Yes.
There is no way, no chance. Wow, Beijing 2000.
Country, they don't pay good money for to if they move me from my place. But I don't know, so I pay good money for them.
Cindy, is the swimming place?
No, the one over there,
Okay.
the blue one. This is
Oh,
a gym,
okay.
another stadium.
Okay.
You know, Beijing hold the 2022nd Winter
Yeah.
Olympic also.
Yeah.
So we use this also again. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the para Olympic.
Yeah, winter
Yeah.
Olympic for snow. Beijing is the only city hold both winter and summer.
Yeah. 2022 मा यसरी हामी बर्डनेसको नजिकै छौँ एकदम रमाइलो भइराखेको छ बर्डनेसमा सुस्त हावा बेलुकाको 8:15 समय यहाँ पार्कमा एकदम रमाइलो साथ हामी भोलि बसिराखेका छौँ हिँडिराखेको छौँ सोनी खिच्ने हो So can you explain about this bird nest?
Our left side, that's the Olympic bird nest.
Yeah.
That's the main stadiums for the opening, closing ceremony,
Yeah.
field track, football race.
Okay.
So today, people can buy a ticket to visit inside.
Okay.
It's all made of steel,
yeah.
several hundred tons of
Wow,
weight.
wow.
Yeah, it can accommodate as many as 80,000 people. at the
Wow,
same time.
wow.
Yeah. Today, people hold concert. Famous
Oh.
superstar hold concert inside.
wow.
Yeah, because it's the largest stadiums in China. 80,000 people together.
Wow.
Yeah. Look at the building on the right side.
yeah.
The blue one, that's water cube. During Olympic times, for the water races,
Yeah.
diving, swimming, water polo, water ballet, all hold there.
Wow.
So today, people can swim inside
Yeah.
a children's amusement park for
Yeah.
water
Wow.
park.
Wow.
Yeah. So you can see the film. It's a
Yeah.
very high technology film.
Yeah.
It's called the ETFE.
Yeah.
It can self-cleaning. Yeah,
Wow.
it's very translucent
Oh
from
my God.
inside. It's very cool
Yeah.
in hot summer to
Yeah.
stay there. Never feel hot and humid.
Oh my
Yeah,
God.
high technology.
Wow.
Look at the building over there.
Yeah.
There are 5 buildings together.
Yeah.
The first one we call the dragon hand.
Yeah.
The 3 middle ones
Yeah.
called the dragon body. The last one is the dragon tail. Together, the name is a hotel called the Pangu 7-star Hotel.
Wow. 7-star.
Shall I go tonight to stay there?
During Olympic times, for the presidents,
Yeah.
premiers,
Yeah.
high-rank officials,
Yeah.
they all live there.
Oh.
Yeah. Right?
Yeah, yeah.
People feel comfortable and safe here. Yeah.
Yeah,
Because
you're right.
they made everything.
So the crime rate is not much here. Crime rate.
No, crime rate is very
Zero.
low. Yeah.
Wow, very
You
good.
can see we have a lot of cameras. No matter where you
Exactly.
go, even a pickpocket is very few now.
Very good.
So you can feel safe to walk. You not like to go to European countries. You have to hold your
Yeah,
bag.
exactly.
Because when you take pictures, your bag robbery.
Yeah. Can grab. Yeah. And moreover, if they caught, then they're very.
Yeah, I
hard.
heard from my friends. They are
Yeah.
leaders to take tour group leaders to
Yeah.
take Chinese people go
Yeah.
abroad.
Yeah.
They said, "Oh my goodness, our passports all robbery away." You know.
Yeah, exactly.
They throw everywhere in the
Exactly.
dustbin. Yeah.
We are, we feel very valuable, but they don't care about other passport, isn't it? Same as the seat of the paper. हजुर नमस्ते म यहाँ ओलम्पिक बर्ड नेस्टको अगाडिपट्टि छु यहाँ बर्ड नेस्ट बनाउनलाई बिलियन टन फलाम लागेको छ भने यहाँ भित्र 80,000 मान्छे एकैचोटि अटाउन सक्ने ठाउँ छ अनि यो यतापट्टि वाटर क्युबमा चाहिँ सबै ओलम्पिकमा हुने पौडीबाज अनि त्यसपछि बोटिङ राफ्टिङ सबै कुराको जुन प्रतियोगिता यो भित्र वाटर क्युब भित्र नै भएको थियो एकदम रमाइलो
Very interesting. 7 star.
7 is
Olympic, this place very developed.
Yeah, that's only reserved for the officials. You read that. Also, according to
अझै बर्डनेस वरिपरि अनि वाटर क्युब वरिपरिबाट हेर्दा यो 7 स्टार होटल यो माथि देखेको यो बर्डनेसबाट देखिने यो पार्कको दृश्य बर्डनेस टुरिस्ट सेन्टर भनेर हुनेछ यसरी हामी यो बर्डनेसको वरिपरि घुम्दैछौँ
How long they took to build this?
4 years.
एकदम
Yeah, they work day and night. Yeah. So when I remember that during night there's a very lights, the construction, everything. This building is very expensive to
It's
build.
all made by metal,
Steel.
steel,
Yeah, and also they said 3 billion RMB finished.
just to finish this.
Just this building, and when
Only-
this building finished half, then no money. Then they stopped for 1 year or half year, I think. The people said, "Why you spend so much money just by building the building for Olympics?"
Yeah,
So the government said, "Don't worry, no, we will make the money back very soon."
yeah,
No, so after the Olympics, they sell the tickets. You know, Chinese tourists.
yeah, yeah,
Since then, everybody wants to go see the bird nest, what
Yeah.
it looks like inside.
yeah.
So they said in 3 years, money already paid back.
Wow.
Yeah, we don't
Chinese,
know.
Chinese, yeah, Chinese people are
They
clever.
said, you can see after so many years, it's still popular.
Yeah.
They sell
Yeah.
tickets. They rent it out to the pop
So
store.
this was the main stadium when it was in the Olympic, is it?
Yes.
Most of the game was played inside this
可
stadium.
凭本人有效证件购买优惠票。残障人士、6周岁以下儿童、65周岁以上的老人，可凭本人有效证件免费参观。
भिलेजबाट फर्क्यौँ हाम्रो सबै ग्रुप साँझको 9 बजेर 7 बजेर 8 मिनटमा छ हामी चाहिँ अब हाम्रो बेजिङको टुर सबै सक्यो थ्याङ्क यू हाम्रो यता टुर गाडी आउनुहुन्छ हामी चाहिँ अब लास्ट यहाँबाट चढ्दैछौँ हजुर हामीलाई दिदी त्यही त आज खाना हिजोकै जस्तो जस्तै हुन्छ आज हामीले हाँसको मासु खाना चाहियो भने हामी एक्स्ट्रा अर्डर गर्न सक्छौँ पैसा हामी आफै तिरेर
हाँसको मासु
के खाने बुङ्गुरको मासु
हैन बुङ्गुरको मासु खाइसकेको
पोक
छ नि
के खाने
के अरे प्राउन एन्ड के अरे
ओके ओके ल
तर प्राउन महँगो आज
ल
एक्स्ट्रा
ल
हामीले
ल
तिर्ने
ल ल
बुङ्गुरको मासु
Cindy, tonight, yeah, we like to have our one chosen food. Yeah, you provide your one. We choose which one, we pay that one, okay?
Okay, yeah.
Because we are missing that roasted dog.
Oh, you want
And,
to speak in duck again?
Yeah, she woke, not last time roasted, the another one.
Another one?
The another one.
Yeah, you can choose the menu first.
Yeah.
I can choose something else, right?
Yeah, then.
mine one then please don't forget mine one
This is the traditional royalty style.
Oh, yeah. Today we have two bills. One from your side, one other our side. Yeah.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, thank you.
Just let me know.
Yeah. Yes. या हामी रेस्टुरेन्टमा गएको यहाँको रेस्टुरेन्टको भव्यता एकदमै भव्यता हुन्छ आज हामी डिनरको लागि दोस्रो दिन अब भोलि हामी यहाँबाट चाहिँ चियर्स ल बेजिङ छोडेर उता चाइना जाँदैछौँ
One more rice over there.
세다 군대 사 아니?
सबैले खाना मन परेन भनेर भन्दै थियो तै पनि
अब जाँड खाँदाखेरि जाँडको बास्ना आएन भने
त नि
महँगो यहाँ त जाँड खारेछ
त्यही त
थाहा हुन्छ नि त यो बियर खाएको केही छैन फर्केर बस्छ पैसा त आएकै छ नि त
पैसा पस्छ भन्छ
उनीहरूले बिलिभ हो
कस्तो विश्वास गरे है यत्रो विश्वासले यत्रो पैसा खर्च गरे हेर्नु न
खुट्टा त फेरि गाई र रागा फेरि हेर्नुहोस् न
भने
Lucky cookie. So there inside had a note. So pick one. Yeah, you can eat. Then
wow I'm lucky yes Yang in hotel 8 बजेर 34 मिनट भयो हाम्रो गाडी आएको छ अब यो लास्ट बेजिङको इभिनिङ चाहिँ लास्ट इभिनिङ हजुर अब पस्यो है पस्यो अब आज यहाँ लास्ट रात बेजिङको ओहो ल
Back to the hotel. So tonight, good sleep. Tomorrow morning, early morning leave. Yeah. So because your train leaving Beijing at 8:13 in the morning, so everybody ready. So at 6:40 in the lobby. Yeah, in the lobby with everything. Yeah, so you can pack most stuff tonight. Yeah, so easier for tomorrow morning. Yeah. So if you wake up early, and so you can prepare also for the leaving. And tomorrow morning 6:40, I will waiting for you in the lobby of the hotel. Okay? Yeah, I will taking you to the train station and leading you get on the train. When you all have side seats. Yeah, so no problem, no hurry. I will ask somebody to help us organize the luggages on the train. Yeah, small ones, small suitcases above your seat. So like you can put above your seat like that. Yeah, big suitcases piled in the luggage areas. So you're leaving Beijing at 8:13. You will get to Xining at 6. In 20 in the afternoon. Yeah, so 10 hours on the train. So Beijing is the first stop and the Xining is the last stop. Don't get off in between, okay? Yeah. So 10 hours there you can enjoy the view from the window, and they offer lunch and they sell snacks in the coach. Yeah, different compartment. Yeah, they have a food compartment. You can walk to different compartment and get some lunch. Yeah. So tomorrow morning 6:40.
tomorrow morning.
Yes, see you
Yes,
tomorrow morning.
exactly
Have a
9
good
o'clock.
night.
We arrive in the hotel. See you, Mr. Ho. Mr. Ho. Good night. ल हजुर हामी अब ठ्याक्कै आज बेजिङको अन्तिम रात भोलि बिहानै हामी ट्रेनमा जान्छौँ
See you tomorrow.
Mr. Ho, see you. Yeah. हजुर होटलमा Let's go in my room.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll
Okay.
down there.
Thank you. Good night. See you tomorrow.
So, come on.